Hello friends, welcome to this class on capital market. In this particular session, we would like to discuss the factors that can influence the equity market during the current week, that is from 31st October 2022 to 4th November 2022. As you are aware that events impact the sentiments. Now there are many events in the current sessions which might impact the market to a great extent. We would like to share those informations so that the investors can take a very considered decisions, informed decisions before going for buying or selling any particular script. Most important information during this week is that USA or US has registered a GDP growth of 2.6%. This is in the second quarter. This is a very important information because based on the economy of US, other economies also depend. As you know that US consumes around 24% of the world's total consumptions. In other words, almost all countries export materials to USA. So growth of US is directly linked with the growth of other countries. So that is a very positive information. And second part is that US inflation has started coming down. That is also very positive information. As you know that interest rate of Fed is directly linked with the inflations. So therefore, these informations about reduction of inflation is certainly a very positive news. These are all US related information. Now coming back to India. As we had explained in our earlier video that banking industries will register a very robust growth that has been established. You must have seen the reputed banks who have come out with their second quarter result. The figures are quite encouraging and quite robust. And bank is one of the major pillars in any economy. So therefore, banking sector is doing reasonably well, and that is a very good information as we find from the latest results announced by all reputed banks. Second information is very important, that is crude price. Crude price is very important and it is related with all countries because crude is an item which is required by almost all countries in the world. The price of crude had reached to 125, 130 per barrel. Now it is hovering below 100 and today it is around $94 per barrel. Reduction of crude price is a very positive information for India. But still, we do not know when the crude will come back and come down to below 60. As you know that India's financial budget for the year 22-23 has been prepared based on crude price of $65 to $70. So therefore, we are still out of the budget, but still it is better than what it was 3-4 months back. So softening of the crude price and hovering below 100 is certainly a very good information. Most important news today is US Fed's decision on interest. Friends, this decision will be taken on 2nd November 2022 by the Fed as to whether there will be any further increase of interest rate. As you know, Fed interest rate and equity market in India is directly linked because India enjoys huge amount of FII investments, and if the interest rate is increased further, then there will be again outflow of fund from India to US. So therefore, the market on 3rd November in India will have its impact based on the decision taken by the Fed on 2nd November 2022. So this is a very important news or important link based on which market on 3rd November will depend. Another important information I would like to share, that as you know that Monetary Policy Committee will meet on 3rd November 2022 to review what are the basic causes for which the bank could not keep the inflation rate below 6%, to what are the actions banks suggest to take to contain the inflation, and third, what is the time limit by which the inflation could be reduced below 6%. On these three items, MPC will deal with, and they will give a report directly to the central government. Although this report is private, but its impact will be there in the money market also. This is what we expect. So therefore, RBI's MPC committee meeting, special meeting or additional meeting on 3rd November may have some impact on the share market in the current session. Another important information could influence the market, that is automobile sales in the month of October. We are expecting this figure within a day or two, and we expect there will be a bumper sale during October because of festive season. So therefore, because of the festive season, the figures will certainly influence particularly the automobile scripts. And lastly, I would like to share that certain companies are going to disclose their second quarter results in the current week. Very eminent companies like Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, Motherson Sumi, Larsen and Toubro, 3i Infotech, Asahi India Class, etc. So their result might also impact the overall market sentiment of the country. So these are the major informations which we feel that may impact or influence the market sentiments. This deliberation is not in any way influence you to buy any shares or sell any shares. This session or this deliberation is basically to keep you informed that these are the economical or financial informations that may emerge during this ongoing session and could influence the market. Thank you very much for your patient hearing, and please subscribe our channel, like it, forward it. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.